Ah, what a shame. What a shame. Actually, this car hasn't been sitting as long as it probably looks. Too bad it's going to the crusher.
Original friggin' rims.
Yo, look at that. It's even got the book. Interior's in great shape. How many miles? 100 and what is that, 4? My eyes are going. Not bad, actually. What a shame. And you could tell this bad boy was in the garage, too. Wish I could save it. I definitely would have. Yo, look at the old cat. Yo, there's a lot of old cars over here. I guarantee you, you know what? These tires, they just need to be pumped up. All right, Del. Yeah. What a shame. Yeah, I know. That's the only bad part. Oh, no, 101. I'm sorry. Who took it here? Let's see. Oh, my boy, a J&J. I should call Chris and ask him what the deal was with this car. Oh, lost title.
Look at that classic interior, man.
That sucks. That sucks.